took the LSAT 3 times, actually. The first time I took it, as I said, I didn't study at all. I didn't take any practice tests, didn't take any courses. The second time I took it, I did the exact same thing. I didn't take any courses, didn't take any tests. But then I realized, or my brother told me that, I need to take a course. And once I took that course, that captain course, and started taking practice exams, then my LSAT score jumped up significantly. And that actually was what allowed me to get admissions from several law schools. A lot of the speakers here spoke about what I think, and what one of the speakers said, this cake thing, this cake analogy, this cake metaphor. The ingredients for going to law school, for getting admitted into law school, pretty much starts with that LSAT and good grades, or the LSAT and GRE and good grades. I think every speaker made sure we talked about that because we want the students to know that you need good LSAT scores or GRE scores in order to get into your law school of choice. And so we wanted to emphasize that, and we also wanted to emphasize that you need to take a course to make sure you get a good LSAT score. Why? Because it's competition. The other students at other universities and other colleges are taking those courses. They're even taking courses at their colleges. Some colleges offer LSAT training or LSAT review courses. So you want to be in a position to compete against those people who are also taking LSAT courses in order to get a good LSAT score. The diversity in the legal profession is probably the worst of any industry that I can think of in the country. And it's even worse for African American women. I just posted on my Facebook page about a month ago that in big law firms across the country, African American women make up, I think, less than 3% of the partners. That is a ridiculously low amount, and we need to do better. So we need to diversify these law schools in order to have a more diverse legal profession. I think it's important. I think diversity is important. I think it's necessary. I think a diverse industry brings about a more productive, a more fair, a more even-minded industry. So we really need that. It's an indication of how far we have to go that African American women still have such low numbers in the legal profession.